Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is asking people to do things, making requests. You could say, wait a moment. You could make it sound friendlier by saying, wait a moment, please. However, that sounds a little too unfriendly. To make it sound more polite, more friendlier, you can say, can you wait a moment, please? Even more friendly, could you wait a moment, please? So try to make your requests sound polite with can or could. You can also use, do you think you could watch the next episode of Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English? Do you think you could? Makes it more distant and even more polite. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.